So I'm just going to do a brief introduction of who I am. My name is Desiree Orta, and my classification is that I'm a sophomore this year. My major is general business, and I'm currently working towards a minor in marketing. And once I plan on graduating, I plan on going towards my MBA for business, which is a master's degree, and moving to College Station and out of Kingsville. I lived in Kingsville all my life, and the high school I went to was Santa Cruz Academy, which is the high school that's right across Texas A&M, and it's like the small school right there. I went there, and then I came straight towards here to stay in town. And my hobbies are that I work at Starbucks, and for part time in the morning. So if you ever go to Starbucks in the mornings, you might see me there. And when I'm not at Starbucks, I currently live off campus and take care of my two pets that I have, which is a Yorkie and I have a cat.